Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to add friends on Telegram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Telegram application. At the homepage of Telegram, you need to tap on three horizontal lines on top left of the screen. There you can see the option of contacts. You tap on it. To add a friend, you need to tap on Add Friend icon on bottom of the right corner. Here you need to provide the first name, then last name. Then you choose a country. Then you go in for providing the phone number. After you are done, you need to tap on tick mark on top left of your screen. There you can see the contact number has been added. Now you can chat or do a audio call with the phone number that you just added. This is how you can add a friends in Telegram. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how to add friends on Telegram. Thank you.